All right. Whew. Let's see. Yo, what's up? Another day. We're back. Doing this again. I did the most annoying part yesterday and I discovered a bug that took me 2.5 hours to fix. So, yeah, that was fun. Luckily, I didn't do it on stream, so you guys didn't have to suffer through that. Whew, alright. Let me make sure everything's good. Yeah, we're good. Thanks. Hopefully I make more of them. I don't know. Alright, anyway, so I'm sure some of you that were here yesterday would be interested to see this. So, here is the map that we built yesterday. Now I'm going to go somewhere different. We are going to go all the way over here. Well, technically it looks like I didn't go somewhere different, but I did. And then, yeah, the bug literally, it would, so here's, I'll just explain the bug eventually. But let me just quickly do something really fast here. My phone needs to be out of low power mode so I can still see the stream chat. Alright, so let me do this. Scoreboard players set. Clear game 0. Oh, clear game 1. Clearing old map, and you'll see everything get destroyed. Pretty much all gone. The only things left are the flags and the ores, and this is stuff that you can't destroy anyway. So now I'm gonna put load game, and it takes much longer to load it, especially since I'm streaming, so my computer is like, oh shoot, what's going on? So it's probably gonna take a much longer. Yeah, you can see it visibly flashing, but when it's done, it'll be done. Yeah, it's going. You can kind of see it starting to build things as it goes. It does like a row at a time, so it goes like, it's like a printer. It prints each row, and then it goes in the other direction. Alright, anyway, well, while we're here, I can talk about the bug. So, this is the bug that cost me like 2 or 3 hours of trying to figure out what's wrong. So, when you create a world border, like using /world border, if the world border does not include the coordinates 0, 0, 0, then when you type /reload, your game will basically just not be able to do anything. It'll look fine, but no commands work, you can't type in the chat, you can't do anything. And you have to force close the game using Task Manager. But yeah. Anyway, so this is almost done. You can see the progress bar. It's very slow because I'm streaming and doing it at the same time. And one more. Alright. It finished. So now everything's back. See? So this is cloning the build so that it resets. You don't have to clear the map though, you can just do the clone thing and it'll do the same. It clears and clones at the same time, really. Let's see. So let's check out, let's go back. So when the game starts, we should kill at e-type equals item, because we should, probably a good idea. All right. Oh, it's crafting combat? Something like that. But the idea is you gotta, here. Game mode survival. So as you can see, when I break that, we have some farms. And if I get enough of this, I can craft. Okay, I think that might be broken. I have some of the recipes backwards. But yeah, I can make leather using wood just because I don't want to have to make like leather farms. And you can still make planks, but you can't make a crafting table. It doesn't exist anymore. So you have to stay at your base or come back to your base if you want to make something. You want to craft stuff. Yeah, I do. I wouldn't do it if I didn't like it. Alright, so let's run over here. Obviously anything that's like pink, any wool that you see is going to be gone in the final product. You have to build your way over here. Alright, so iron ore just gives you straight up regular iron ingots. So you don't have to worry about that, about smelting. And you can break anything, so just destroy, place anywhere. And let's see, what's some other things you can do? If I go over here, let's put the actual sidebar up. So let's go over here. Alright, so if I hold right click, this will decrease the HP on the flag, because I'm team red. And now team green can no longer respawn. Oh no. No, it's okay. I respawned in my red base. That's okay. Alright, yeah, so I'm basically just have to make like the lobby and everything and add some more recipes. Alright, so let's go back. Alright, let's get rid of all this. Who needs that? You gotta build your way there. Yeah, it's meant to be kind of like a fast-paced PvP survival kind of thing, crafting thing. Yeah, you were there. You were here yesterday. I remember. Yeah, some people are back, some people are new. And I put the live stream text here just so that you can see when your message pops up, because there is time delay. So you can kind of see the time delay there. Good job, Rag. Well, you have a rag, right? Rip Cloud Wolf. Why rip, man? I got it working. This is all good. I also really like what I did over here with the check marks and the X marks when you break the flag and the colors. It looks really nice. Alright. Breaky breaky. Actually, let me fix that recipe right now that you bring it up. I just changed the default recipe. Here's my recipes. Let's see, leather chestplate. Gives me leather boots. No, that's wrong. Alright, let me make sure boots is fine. Leather boots. No. That's dumb. Alright, so we delete that. And now we're good. Alright, so now when I craft it, it should be better. Can I... what? Okay. It just took a while to actually reload because you guys are here. All right, there you go. There we go. Perfect. What else should we make? Let's make, this is something that I've been meaning to do. All right. It gives you an arrow if you put, and then let's put another thing. Okay, Minecraft : stick. All right, so all you have to do is go 0, 1, 1. Hopefully that does it. I think minigames are better for fun, more fun for me, because like I can play them on stream, but I like to do both. It'll probably be on my server, yeah. But at least for now, you guys, this will be like this will be on this, like on a live stream, and we can play it. What? Oh, Iron Shovel overrides it. Ah, okay. All right. I think there's nothing that's an iron in a stick. Oh, doesn't work. All right. Let's see. If you ever doubt what the recipes are because you don't remember them, just go versions. Go into the version you're in. Open this thing with an archiver. Then you open data, recipes. Let's go to arrow. Okay. Let's change it from flint to iron ingot. Change it from feather to air? Okay, let's try that. You can just copy the default one, which is nope. Oh wait, no, that worked. Cool. Oh, it's so stupid, but I like it. Alright. Yeah, now the crafting recipe for an arrow is an iron ingot and a stick. Oh, I've been on this for like 5 minutes. Yeah, I've just been recording for a little bit. Alright, so now we have a crafting recipe for an arrow as an iron ingot in a stick. Oh wait, I need to make a crafting recipe for a bow. Oh. I shouldn't have closed that. Let's open this back up. And then let's go back into the saves. Okay. Recipes. I can't close the page back here, it's hiding. Alright. Data, craft, recipe, and let's go down to where it says bow. Alright. How are we gonna craft a bow? Who said I had? I don't have. What? What are you saying, Rag? Random. Yeah, but I made this using only data packs. Ah, this is the same song I skipped last time. Sounds like a bad... It's pretty bad. I kind of hate how YouTube is so strict about their copyrights with music. It's kind of dumb. You can't even live stream and listen to the music you want to listen to. It's kind of annoying. Alright, so how should we craft this bow? So we got sticks. I mean, I could just make it iron, honestly. I could just go... Oh no. I mean, actually no, I could leave it, honestly. I'm gonna have it here just in case I want to change it. Maybe, I don't know. Screw it, I'll make it iron ingots for now. Let's make Hold on. When the string is metal. That's stupid. Alright, well, it's there now. Oh, what's up, Emerald Mine? Alright. Let's see. We gotta make a spawn point. You know, I'm gonna do this. Let's just get some materials. Gonna need that. We're gonna need that. We're gonna need that. All right. Let's go ahead and go with let's see. So we go with 1, 2, 3, 4. And then 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 6. There we go. One, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. The corner though is filled with a little bit. There we go. All right. So let's see. Make 0. Let's see, what do we got here? Okay, then we go with that in the corner. We go like that. Then we do that. Then that. There we go. And we go in 3. You can always fix the colors later. Let's just get the shape down. Alright. No, I'm building a lobby. This is gonna be a weird lobby, I guess. There we go. Now let's see if we can't get some of these colors a little bit better. So that's pretty accurate, pretty spot on. The orange is alright. I like it to be a little lighter. What if I use this? That might be closer. Maybe? No. Prefer the orange. But I do like the other one. I colored the sidebar using themes. Craft other people. That's so dumb. That'd be very unnecessary and overly complicated. This is just a lobby. Okay. Okay, we got one. Okay. That's alright. That's good enough. Now we just build the sides down a little bit, but you know, nobody's gonna see this anyway. Okay, now I'll give myself a barrier. I don't even need this down here. Nobody's gonna see the bottom. Secret. All right. So now we have the table. I'm gonna make it so like if you go to the corners, you'll join different teams. There we go. Do you want a dog? I'm not really at the place where I would get one right now. Especially since I'm literally in France. Alright, so now we go with yellow, green, red, blue. All right. Now we have to do joining teams and stuff. Obama. Of course he does. All right, so let's go with join blue. Execute, store, result, score, blue, players, game, if entity at A, team equals blue. Alright. No. not join blue. Let's do check teams. Okay, so we're gonna do this, and then we're gonna do that, and that, and that. Team equals red. No, this one should be yellow. This should be green. This should be red, blue. This should be red. All right. Red, blue, green, yellow. Then you do scoreboard players operation. Total players game equals yellow players. So this just yellow players game. So this makes the total players equal to the amount of yellow players. And then we plus equals the green players and the blue players and the red players. So it just adds everybody up. It will be on a server soon. This will be on the server soon. Okay, so execute store. No. Max players game equals total players game scoreboard players operation max players game. So we take how many total players there are and divide it by 4, and that's how many players are allowed on each team. Scoreboard players set 4 constant 4. All right, so this will tell us how many players are allowed on each team. Oh, the zombie server? I'm waiting. I don't have bungee cord yet. Bungee cord not out. So I can't actually have it. I could just have like one map that doesn't save anything or let you do anything besides just play the map. Okay, let's see. Then we do execute if score yellow players game is greater than max players game run team join lobby at a team equals yellow sort equals random. All right, so if the players on the yellow team is bigger than the max players allowed on a team, then it will pop them back out to the lobby. And same with green and blue and red. So it doesn't allow you to have unbalance. Green, blue, red. Then we're gonna go back. This is gonna be a server soon. Execute positioned. What's the position of this? 0, 64, -50. Unless score blue players game is greater than or equal to max players game run as at a dx equals 0 run function cc players join blue. All right, function cc player executes unless score game. This will do anybody that's in adventure mode. Score stage game matches ... run function cc game player check teams. We'll add this here too. Very long. So unless they are in the game, it won't let them do something. Alright, so we copy this 4 times. Make this one red, and red, and green, and green, and yellow, and yellow. So what does join blue do? Team join blue at S. That's really it. But maybe I can add more stuff to it, so that's why I have it. Maybe I want to make it do a message and say player has joined X team, so I'm giving myself options. Okay. Yellow. All right. So that does all those. Now I just need the positions. 0, -63. That's for yellow. Green is 13, -63. Therefore, red is 13, -50. All right. All right. Dash function. Nope. Scoreboard players set. Oh, it's good. It does nothing. But now I put it to 0 and now it's doing stuff. There's total players. The max players is 0. Let's see. There's 1 player on red team. But the max players is 0. Oh, game mode adventure. There we go. No. Let's see. Check teams. No, main. Okay, so blue players is 0, so it is. Oh, not unless it's greater than or equal to. Unless it's greater than. Wait, no, it should be greater than or equal to. Well, why is the max player 0? Okay. Let's see. What do I do? How come it's 0? Let's see. Total players is 1. Four is 4. 4 is 4. Let's just test to make sure by dividing it by a constant of 1. Okay, eventually it'll load. It takes a while. Have you ever made a game? I've made like some of a game. Alright, now I'm joining teams. Let's make it not spam. That'd probably be ideal. Team equals not red. Team equals not blue. Team equals not green. Team equals not yellow. So now it won't spam. But now I have to solve the problem of it being 0. So let me think. So 5 divided by 4, it'll probably say 1. Yeah, let's see. Execute if score max players game matches 0 run scoreboard players set max players game 1. I'll do that temporary. That's like a band-aid. This is just like a band-aid. So if it says 0, then it'll make it 1 because it's got to be at least 1. Who am I playing with afterwards? Nobody. I mean, I'll play with everybody on that wants to on the stream on this game after I make it. But I don't know if it'll be done today or tomorrow. But it is coming pretty far, as you can see. We're getting there. I might just have it manually start the game, so you just manually type a command to start everything. All right. So let's go with let's try and get the game working. So let's go with setup. Okay. Oh, minimized it. We should also make some teams. So another team. Oh man, that's deep. Look how long that is. All right, so let's go with lobby. 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 Oh, gray. Don't want friendly fire on lobby. Lobby. Execute if score stage game matches 1 ... run game mode spectator at a team equals lobby game mode equals not spectator. Okay, so if you were in the lobby, if you're not in the lobby, then there you go. No command blocks. I would never put command blocks. That's a dumb idea. Oh, I spelled matches wrong. There we go. Okay, so anybody that's on the lobby and is not a spectator becomes a spectator. It's also, oh. Let's TP them, anyone that's not a spectator, to the nearest player that is team equals not lobby. So it'll just pop them into the game if they join if somebody joins mid game. So it'll join you on lobby. If you left, tag equals not new user. Tag at a tag equals not user. Add user. So this is just to handle like players that are never joined before or if they left. Scoreboard objectives add left Minecraft dot custom Minecraft dot left leave game. Okay. If you use command blocks, then your thing isn't finished. You're finished when your command blocks are gone, because command blocks should just be for testing things. Hey, what's up, Acid? You're back. You are back. So I should join lobby team. My name should turn gray. Theoretically. Oh. I guess it didn't join me. Okay. Tag at s remove user. There you go. Yeah. So now let me relog and see what happens. And this guy doesn't need to be there anymore. We're all good. He was my backup. Alright. Yep. Alright, cool. Oh, I forgot to make it reset. Scoreboard players set at A left 0. Alright, cool. This is kind of rough because it's just a game. It's not like a big thing. So yeah. It's kind of like, I'm just kind of throwing things together because it's not that important that it's perfect. And let's see, we have check teams. Okay, I think everything's good. Let's just work on starting the game. Setup. So setup does scoreboard, players, set, load, game 1. So setup is going to do that. Then we will do game mode survival at a team equals not lobby. Game mode scoreboard players set stage game 1. I think it's 1. I think it's 1. And then the last thing is, let's see, load. If it reaches the last one, we will do game/start. All right, so let's see, I'll join a team. All right, so I can go to, what? Max players is 1. Oh, I'm not in adventure. There we go. Okay, so now function cc game/setup. Oh my goodness, this is gonna take forever. Here we go. We'll have to wait. Let's see what happens. It is taking longer because I'm streaming. Probably tomorrow. I'll have it on a server. If not today. I'm literally just testing the game right now, as you can see. I'm running a full test, and then I'll do a full test like on a server with people next. I mean, there's still features I want to add, but the base game kind of works. A clone hacker? What do you mean, like slash clone? Because I used slash clone for this. And it took forever to make it, but... Alright. Yeah, where's the elevator music? Alright, well I think it finished. I don't know why nothing happened there. Oh, because that's not it. I guess the function file doesn't work. What did I do wrong here? Oh. I need limit. Alright, well I can force it to go. Start game. Alright, cool. Alright, and here's my timer. And I'm in a survival mode. So let's get some stuff. There's literally nobody to play against, but it looks like everything's working. Maybe I'll add like different bows that have different tiers, like wood bow, iron bow. That might be cool. I could totally do that. It'd be really easy. You'd have to use a research pack though. Let's see. Axe will probably speed up our chop time. I guess I should also make a stone quarry somewhere. That might be useful. Because otherwise you're limited to whatever stone you have on your island, but maybe that's just the feature. Alright, let's get some more. The blocks just kind of fly everywhere. Alright, so I'm just gonna make some pants and a bunch of blocks. Oh, not quite enough. I am doing kind of like a Bed Wars style minigame in terms of some of the general ideas of how it works, but it's a little more complicated than that. What the? What? Huh? Oh, I think it does. I think it does that at that stage. And then I'd want to make it set it to 2. There you go. It's alright, I didn't lose everything. Alright. Yeah, I want to add like some random stuff that spawns and like that just does really cool things. But for now, the base game is okay. I definitely didn't give it enough time, and that was just because I was putting arbitrary numbers for time. The first stage, stage 1, is where it's like kind of like the starting stage. I don't know if I want to do something special during the starting stage. Then stage 2 is just the normal. Forgot to make a pick. Stage 2 is kind of like your normal stage. Stage 3 is, again, just kind of like a normal stage, but I can fill things in there that do different stuff. Stage 4 is, I think, sudden death, but it might be another normal stage. I made a lot of like quote-unquote stages, so the timer counts to like 0 and then goes to the next stage, just so I could have like different things happening. Alright, well, let's make a wooden pickaxe. I can just dig into the ground. There's some stone down here. Or not. Oh no, there's some. I mean, you can do anything, really. I haven't restricted anything. You can break everything. It's pretty nice for vanilla. Okay, that's alright. I don't really need that much stone. You're not going to use it for a lot. You just need a little bit. Just to get started. Alright. Let's put the pants on. Alright, so I can get a stone here if I wanted, but really what's good is this iron. And who cares about smelting? Alright. 3, 4. Alright, now we go back. Hello, what's up? I'm not even looking at my screen. I'm just like praying that I don't fall. Oh, now let's make another. Let's make some more stuff. So if I go like this, I get a bow. And if I go like this, I get arrows. Ah, so stupid. Alright, I have enough materials to get to mid. Oh, I should probably die. I don't have keep inventory. I have keep inventory on at the moment, but I'll have to remove it for the game. Let's die just to make sure, yeah, you respawn at your base. You can break your crafting table, but it'll just delete it and not give it to you and then spawn it again. So you don't have to worry about that. You can't hurt your own base, but other people can break your stuff. You can't hurt your own flag. You can't delete it or damage it or whatever the hell it is. The only thing that I think is a bit complicated that people won't get intuitively is to destroy someone's base. You have to right click on the flag and you have to do it and hold it or like spam it. Yeah. So that's the only thing that I don't think people will be able to understand pretty easily. It'll take them some time. I can destroy everything here, honestly. I can break all around this. It'll come back. It's okay. All right, that is an epic gamer moment right there. We got some diamonds. I haven't balanced like timing of respawns. Oh, it's sudden death. All right. Oh yeah. This is the stage 4. So this is sudden death. So if you die, that's it. Oh no! You can't craft though. All right, and then I'm put in spectator mode because I'm out of the game. That's perfect. Now I just have to make it detect endgame. Because it detects sudden death, but I don't think it detects like losing. Yeah, it doesn't detect like the game is over. Alright, so let's deal with that. Alright. Execute, store, result. No. So let's go inside the end timer, and let's do it in here since we know this only happens like once at a time. Oh, and see, the game over time ran out, so that will be time ran out, but I don't have stuff like that. But yeah, you will be able, like, this should work for making new maps. It's just getting the spacing right is going to be really hard. I don't know about you guys making it, but it does work for multiple maps. It's just really freaking hard. You gotta hard code in a lot of stuff. To load that map, I hard coded it quite a bit. Here's load, and there's 23 files, and all the files have 23 commands, and it's a lot of copy paste. But you can add more. It's possible. All right, so let's see. Execute unless entity at a game mode equals survival, team equals not lobby. Run function cc game/game over. Game over. Say game is over, someone won. Temporary. Scoreboard, players, set, stage, game 0. TP at a. -664 -56. So it'll do that, and then it'll do game mode, adventure at A, team join lobby at A. All right, cool. And that just resets everything. All right, so, well, I just need to add features basically. Balance stuff. But it's pretty good right now. I don't want to like, okay, let me go to end timer and make this like much longer. So we'll make it like 5 minutes and 5 minutes and 2 minutes. So that'll give us plenty of time. I can pretty much almost set this up on a server, like we're pretty close. So what I might do is I might like stop the stream and then just go into the Discord chat and then have people join if you want to, possibly. Well, we're pretty much there. Yeah, I think it's what I'll do. I'll just I'll stop the stream so that my computer can breathe. And then you can join me on the Discord and we'll play from there. Anyways, see you guys. Peace.